This is a sample text written with Word. You can use it to follow the activity for Theme 4, Spacing, Justification, Initials. Download it and open it in Google Docs. Follow the instructions below. Select the text on this page. Change the font to an accessible one. Change the size of the font to 12 points. Change the line spacing to 1.5. For this we need to go a little further over, more, and here we have line spacing. And finally, justify the text to the left.